Let's go ahead and march it out for a second. Keep breathing. We need to make sure we get a lot of oxygen to our muscles so that we have that explosive energy when we jump. Okay, now we're going to go into the next movement. I want your legs in a wide stance. It's called a maximum jump. So basically, we're going to jump to our maximum height. We're going to have our legs in a comfortable position about shoulder width. We're going to bend down and jump straight up in the air, reaching to the sky as high as you can jump. And down to the side. You guys ready to try that? 5, 6, 7, 8. Recover, nice. 2. Let's try 4 more. You guys feeling that? Good. These are great preparations for any type of jump. Explode. Last time. Nice. Let's go back into some alternating toe touches. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Accent it as if it was a regular jump. 1, 2, 3. Up. Nice. Let's try 4 more. 3 more. Extend out of those knees. Point those toes. 2 more. Last one. Great. And let's go right into our maximum jumps again. Legs wide. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. And down. Again. Again. Reach to the sky each time. 2 more. Nice. Last time. Great. Let's march it out. Catch your breath. And legs together and breathe. Out. Nice. Let's do a quadricep stretch. Make sure the opposite leg is bent a little bit so that you have stability and you're not locking out that knee. Go ahead and use your opposing arm for balance. Make sure your knees are connected, at least parallel to one another. And tuck your hips under for extra stretch. And let's go ahead and change. Nice. Let's put our legs down. We're going to do a hamstring stretch. We're going to have our opposing leg bent, the other one flexed out in front of us, lengthening out of that leg. Flex foot. It's great to stretch these muscles. We want them straight into toe touch, right? So we've got to stretch with them straight. Keep breathing. This is the part that feels good, so enjoy it. Great, and let's change legs. Last breath. Great, let's go ahead and turn to the side. Front leg bent, back leg straight. Body is in line with your back leg, so your spine should just go straight up, one line. Straighten your spine, straight out through your leg. Hold it there, keep breathing. Great, and bring your body tall. Bend both legs. You're going to be straight up and down, back leg bent. Tucking your hips for extra stretch in your hip flexor. Keep breathing. Great, other side. Bend your front leg, back leg straight. Body in line. Breathing, elongating those muscles. And bend your back leg, body straight and tall. Tuck those hips under. And straighten it up. And turn forward. Let's take a deep breath. And down. One more. Breathe. And down. And that was your cardio cheer jump workout. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, she liked it. I hope you liked it too.